Is that Brock Builds?
Brock Builds, baby.
Is that Brock Builds?
First YouTube video starting now.
Wake up this AM and big Brock's out here already. How you feeling, big cock Brock?
Feeling great. Got this project coming along.
What is this?
It's a moped. We got KTM 65 tires on it, custom swing arm, built by yours truly, and we're slapping a Predator 212 in it.
I think he's gonna have some nuts when we're done with her. I'm gonna go get some shoes on and help him start tackling this. Get her painted pretty and then drop her in, eh?
Oh yeah.
Alright, you keep welding.
Yes, sir.
Shit.
People are gonna say I don't know how to weld, but I'm filling in some big gaps right here. Clean that shit up a little bit.
Clean that shit up a little bit.
Throw this back on. Break my wire off because it's all bent and shit fucked. Dude, I don't know what it is, but it does not want to weld right here. Like, watch it weld right here. That's fine, but it won't fucking weld right here.
Technical difficulties with Brock Builds and Hayden Builds is well, who is this guy? I guess we didn't really have a proper intro to this video, but basically this is gonna be our first build video. We've been dicking around with like a bunch of mopeds nowadays and bicycles, motors, all sorts of stuff. We've just been fabbing Frankenstein bikes together left and right, having a good time out back at my crib. We built this track that you will be seeing very shortly. My freestyle jumps over here. I got a big BMX jump. Got a lot of content to come soon, but this is what we have in the works and it's gonna be sick. So make sure you stay tuned, subscribe, all that shit, right, Brock?
Oh yeah.
Subscribe.
Subscribe, motherfuckers. Dude, I'm surprised the fire department didn't show up earlier. Had a little fire break out of control on the paint. You know that happens when you don't sand the paint off completely.
Damn, Brock, those welds, buddy.
Yeah, they're pretty gnarly.
You think you got her now?
Yeah.
You got the phone turned the right way?
Yeah, I gotta turn the right way.
Delete. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Coming off there or what?
Brock is gonna be the YouTuber of 2023, I'm telling you.
Oh yeah.
I told you it was a fucking 10.
You told me it was a 12.
At first I said it was a 12, but then I said it was a 10. You're like, no, it's an 11. So we almost got the pad completely stripped. We got one bolt, or one nut that's a 10, not a 12 or an 11.
12, whatever.
Coming off, then we're gonna clean off this dirt and get her spray painted.
This nice clean frame. Shake that
Are we
thing up.
painting everything?
Everything.
Just straight black?
Everything.
Just go straight up?
Yeah.
Ah.
Usually when it comes to more important builds, I would mask stuff off, but not a moped.
It's not even a moped at this point, to be honest.
Yeah, it's more of a mini bike. I like the thumb technique.
Oh yeah. Gotta thumb her sometimes.
Yeah.
Give her a couple coats. Thing's gonna be mint, Brock.
Oh, it's gonna...
Alright, Brock just went to grab... Why did I start shaking again? Alright, Brock just went to grab some... I'm gonna put that down. Alright, Brock just went to grab some lunch. I'm gonna finish up painting this frame, and then we're gonna set her aside to dry. Alright, moped is all painted. It's actually looking pretty dang good. Sweet! See you soon. Brock! We're back.
I'm back. Paint's almost dry.
Look at this guy. Look who else showing up.
Good.
Uh-oh. Alright, boys are back. And Shauna. And Stickle's here. We're gonna get one more coat of paint on here. Let her sit till part 2 and then rip some shit. Code Hayden on the C4, baby. Rate this 1 to 10.
11.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
It's actually really fucking good.
I know. Code Hayden. Just so Bickle can say he contributed or what?
Yep.
Yes. Yeah. Whoa. Easy on the pecker there. Might need another can of paint. Swear to God.
Maybe. We just got a little bit right there.
But look up at the bars.
Don't worry too much about the bars, because I might be throwing a bar pad on it. Boxing it a little bit.
We might be road tripping if we want this thing to look nice.
Yeah.
What's going on?
You have a weird urge to do a backflip. I wonder if I could still round off backflip.
Run it back.
There we go.
Just get the random ass urge to backflip. Oh, there it goes again.
Just get sudden bursts of energy. Now I'm ready for bed. You're gonna piss me off if you keep holding it like that. Hey. Fine, Brock, you take charge. Give Brock the cam for a bit.
We're just spray painting the chassis right now, making it look nice and black.
Final touches. Final touches on the Penske. Letting Stickle take it.
Yep.
It's looking good. It's looking real good. Solid machine we got.
It's looking
cooking
elite.
here.
Not Honda elite.
Not Honda elite, but it's looking elite. Okay, Stick. All right, y'all, we're to the point where we are gonna let the moped dry overnight and pick up on it tomorrow. So stay tuned for part 2. For now, we're gonna go rip some bikes and some mopeds. Let's get a little crazy.
A little crazy.
A little crazy.
Brock, where's Brock?
Fuck yeah! Two up jump on the moped is going down now.
Yes, sir. Got the helmet on.
Where the fuck are you gonna sit?
I guess.
Do you even got enough power for us both? You got gas in it?
Oh yeah, I just put some in it.
I mean, you got that.
Just reenact it.
Let's do it.
I ain't reenacting shit. The key wasn't on, and we just.
Oh, I
Set
got the
your
whole
crank.
time you were cranking the shit out of it.
We're having some technical difficulties over here.
Head.
Maybe 2 up ain't going down, dude. Holy shit.
Oh, what the fuck?
Too bad you just can't push it.
I wish we could just bump start it. Got that goddamn clutch drive on this bitch.
It's just something. Rock, what do you think?
Oh, I think he's got bigger.
Bigger.
Oh yeah,
All the time.
all the time. Oh shit!
We got a whole sideways on that one. Dude, I was doing the Ricky Carmichael upside down, back and over, dude. Holy shit.
How was it?
Sent. Make this moped your bitch.
It's already my bitch.
That is your boyfriend. How do you feel?
Oh, it's great, you know.
He's a really good guy.
Just the fact you can ride them all.
That was mine, baby.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, she's done. I just shut up.
Oh. All right, that looks like a good spot to leave us. Sometimes talking's hard, dude. That just started, dude. It was rolling fucking diarrhea from the. All right, guys. This seems like cannot fucking talk. All right, guys. That seems like a good spot to leave this video off. I'm gonna do a backflip pretty soon if this keeps happening. All right, guys. This is where we're gonna leave this one off. Be sure to stay tuned for part 2 of the moped build and more carnage like this. We're gonna bust content out for you guys on this channel. Stay tuned. Much love. Till the next one. Peace.